Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. Also, make sure you turn off the water supply to the washer. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the drain pump in a Whirlpool washer. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a 1/4" and a 5/16" nut driver, pair of pliers, and a flat blade screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new drain pump. The drain pump is mounted inside the washer's cabinet on the left side if you look from the rear. It operates by the main control board and drains water out at the end and during the cycles. If water stays inside the tub and the washer won't spin, it's time to check and replace the drain pump if needed. We're at the back of the washer, and I'm going to use the 1/4" nut driver and take out the screws so we can remove the rear access panel. And I'm going to pull off the panel. This is the drain pump we are going to replace. Now I'm going to tilt the washer forward and place it on the support. Make sure it's not sliding. And we can work from this side now. Let's place the towel inside here. Again, I have some water dripping down from the tubes when I'm going to disconnect them. Now we need to remove this clamp. I'm going to use the pliers. Squeeze it and pull it up. Slide it on the top. Then we can remove this drain hose. Be prepared, there could be some water coming out. Maybe not, because we tilt the washer forward. All right, we get lucky. All right, so we're going to remove this hose clamp. Use the pliers, squeeze it, and pull it down. So we have 3 5/16" screws that hold the pump in place. I'm going to use the 5/16" nut driver. If you don't have it, you can use the socket wrench with 5/16" head. All right, now I'm going to pull off this hose. Slowly put it down. And we're going to disconnect these 2 wires. I'm going to pry it with the flat blade screwdriver. Yeah, some water in there. We need to remove this clamp so we can install it on the new pump. I'm going to use pliers. I'm going to squeeze it, slide it off. This is the old drain pump next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Before installing the new drain pump onto the washer, we need to slide this clamp onto the hose. I'm using the pliers. And put it on, and then we're going to install it. All right, so we're going to start installation of the pump with connecting these 2 wires. It doesn't matter which one goes where. All right, now I'm going to place this hose on this port. And then we're going to mount the 3 screws. Those are 5/16". So now using the pliers, I'm going to squeeze and move this hose clamp up to secure the hose. Then I'm going to install this hose on. See that cutout in the hose goes over this tab. And then I'm going to use pliers Squeeze the hose clamp and slide it down. We can take out the towel. Now I'm now going to grab the washer and slowly put it upright. We're now going to bring this rear access panel and we're going to install it. The two tabs at the bottom of the panel goes over that cutouts in the cabinet. And we're going to bring it up. Match the holes. And I'm going to use the core-inch nut driver. I'm going to secure the panel. All right, turn on the water, plug the washer in and run it to check if it works properly and there's no leaks. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.